the walls were thin, then carried me without caution. Want something else, but I end up here. You give me no other option. I linger as the approaching. Paper cuts on what could have been. Every morning made us matter. If only you'd known it when you had me. You had a cry when you vanished. Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you. 'Cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone. Run away from home, why don't you? 'Cause I did the same just for you. You don't know how much I love you. 'Cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone. I don't wanna stay with you just to have to leave. If it isn't meant to be, you'll still be here eternally. I don't wanna say goodbye, you just arrived. If it isn't meant to be, you'll still be here eternally. I hope to make you my own for the train ride. Smiley faces in the vapor, counting corners till we get to any place but where I'm at. Every exit's getting louder. I'd assure you that it's nothing, but you never saw it coming, none of it. But then how could you now? Part of me wants you to see, a part of me hopes that you won't. Look in the mirror and find me a window crying in the car home. I left you a tear on my cheek, but won't let it stay for too long. I don't wanna ruin the moment, so it's gone before you ever notice. Gone before you ever know. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Gone before you ever know. Trying to think of something clever, just anywhere, but there's a lot of it.